So I'm just replacing my tub faucet in the middle of a bathroom remodel. My old faucet knobs are these awesome circular ones, and so it didn't matter really which way it was turning. And now I have these fancy schmancy ones where it definitely matters where I put it. And so you can take these out and switch it to the other way. So like that would be off and then that's on. But I want it the other way. So just pull that out. Now the flat side is on this side. Now it turns on the right way. So hopefully that helps you. Thanks a lot. Like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff.